Thank you, Kijana. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, First Lady, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Mama Dorcas, all the leaders here present, including my friend, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, Dr. Wycliffe Salim Davadi, our keynote speaker. Thank you for the message, well delivered. The only thing I may not know is whether it was well received. But I can tell you, looking at many of the people sitting next to me, message is right home. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, I am delighted that my predecessor, the Honorable Moses Masika Wetangula, and his colleague, Honorable Amason Kingi, have continued with this practice and this tradition. And indeed, I am grateful to see many of our visitors from around the continent of Africa. It is a great tradition that we come together as a nation, as national leadership, to come and pray. And indeed, as was said by my former roommate, pray incessantly. Is it the one or Sami? I think it's Sami Chepkonga who said it. Some little word of praise to the renewed and revamped Bunge Choir. Indeed, as the keynote speaker did say, you have made some improvement. But I do recall that our keynote speaker today was with us here in 2019. And that's why I think he's saying that there's some slight improvement, because during that occasion, what was there was organized confusion. And therefore, I must congratulate the new leadership of the prayer breakfast. I'd also wish to recognize the part played by many of our prayer groups around Nairobi, in various places, in Nakuru, in Athi River, around is it Karen, Muthaiga. To all of you, congratulations. I also wish to indeed salute the two patrons for upholding the decision that this occasion becomes one of the key calendar events in the life of Parliament, and to maintain the tradition of holding it on the last Thursday in the month of May. It is sad, but again, I'm happy to note, Your Excellency, you and I, and I think the Honorable Musalim Davandi will recall that the last prayer breakfast of last year was a bit interesting, in that today we talk about reconciliation, but during the last prayer breakfast of last year, it was very difficult to sit together on that table, because we were indeed just pretending to be talking to each other. You recall, and indeed congratulations, because you withstood it, and from there you went and gave away your daughter in marriage. I think this year's theme is one that we, all of us as Kenyan leaders, and indeed as a nation, should observe. Before I came here at about 6:15, I was watching television, and in one of the stations, I had somebody question, why do leaders congregate to pray, spend too much money when there are people who have nothing to eat? I just wondered, is it a mistake for leaders to congregate and pray together. Would it make any difference if we were to do it over lunchtime? Because the person who questioned that seemed to have beef with the fact that it is called a national prayer breakfast. I leave you with this one, that let us continue praying and praying incessantly. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Kijana. I'll now